G'day there, it's Glenn Smith here from Your Next Car In Officer, and what I'm going to do today is take you for a quick walk around tour of our 2018 Ford Ranger in an Excl 4x4 Super Cab with the beautiful tradesman body on the rear. So what I'll do is I'll try and point out all the extras this vehicle has and if there's any imperfections whatsoever. But please keep into account, this has got the GVM Upgrade and your rear tradesman body, which I've got open ready to go. So just starting from the back end of the vehicle, I'll walk my way kind of from the back end of the car all the way around to the front end of the vehicle, just to try and point out all the extras the vehicle does have on it fitted. And as you see, that body is in great condition. So internal in the body, you do have your vise in the rear section, perfect for that tradie. Plenty of storage in here as well. Really great functionality with these bodies. Good thing is this one, when the car is running, the body is locked, so it central locks to the vehicle when it is running, so quite safe. If you do have any tooling, hopefully no one can grab it because the car is locked when running as well. So plenty of storage left in that shelving area in the rear section. Again, really clean condition, that body. Nothing kind of that's going to stand out and scare you in any way, shape or form. It does have a set of Yokohamas fitted to the rear end, which are the all-terrain style Yokohama wheels. And again, it does have that GVM upgrade as well, so please take that into account. Coming around to the inside the body itself, we'll see a little plug here, a little plug for your outdoor camping scenario, so really handy for that exterior area, for an extension plug on the outside. Your Super Cab section, really clean condition. I will take you through the interior also as well, but we'll start with the exterior to start off with anyway, and then coming to your front driver's door on your Ranger. Again, presents really well. Coming to your front guard, I will flip around just to show you the tyre condition and everything on the front. So also got the Yokohama all-terrains fitted to the front as well. Really good quality tyre there. And then your paint condition on your guard area is in fantastic condition. Does have an alloy bull bar, a little couple of marks there on the bull bar, but again, nothing untowards for this age of car and the Ks it has done. And then coming around to the front end of your alloy bull bar, it is the ECB version. So ECB alloy bull bar, and it does have a steady driving light on the front there, so light bar on the top of the actual bull bar as well, so a steady light on there as well. So it has been fitted with a lot of extras, which really helps when you're comparing this Ranger to another one that's on the market, just especially with its GVM upgrade as well. Your bonnet section, really clean condition. A UHF aerial, which the UHF is inside the vehicle. I'll try to show you that in the interior as well. But as you see, really clean condition. It has got, like I said, I keep mentioning, it does have the Pedders upgraded GVM suspension, which you'll see I've taken a photo of the certificate to say the GVM has been upgraded. Also of the GVM placard compliance plate, you'll see on the website as well. Again, your tyres in the front, again, Yokohama's really good condition. So Yokohama's all the way around, but absolutely faultless, this condition of this Ranger, really clean throughout. Your passenger front door, coming to your suicide door, again, no damage on that whatsoever. Really clean condition. Then coming down to your body, again, your Yokohama tyres on the rear. And again, like I said, when the car is running, that canopy or workman body will lock, so it does central lock when the car's running, so they can't get into your tooling area in the rear. Then to open the rear door, or the side door on that passenger side, we'll open that up just so you can see internally. It does have a slide out drawer, which I've taken photos on the website as well, but that will slide out. So really handy for that budding tradesman. Plenty of storage for shelving and such. Plenty of room there. And then up above you can put your tools in there also. Then just shut that drawer. Again, just push on that handle and that'll lock into position just down here. And then coming back to your side door, again, that lever, we'll pop that down, so you've got a bit of a workbench area. So these workman bodies are phenomenal. They do really design them really well. Perfect for that tradie. Just for tooling and working out of. I will shut that one also, just to shut that down. And then we'll continue on with the video, coming to the back end of the vehicle. So again, your tradesman body is in great condition. Really clean condition. Does have your standard tow bar. And also does have the Trundle drawer as well, which again, we photoed that on the website. So just one button, two button. That Trundle drawer will slide right out. Good for shovels, brooms and such. So plenty of room there, for storage for any working tooling you may have. I'll shut him up. A bit tricky one-handed, but we'll keep funneling on. And then we'll open that rear door just to show you through the rear section. Again, plenty of storage there with your vise in the rear, your mesh in central just to divide it, but again I'm tipping that can come out if you want to take that out as well, but plenty of storage in there, plenty of room to put your compressors or tooling, whatever it may be that you do for your work side of things for yourself. So coming back through the interior, again I'll open that driver's door to open your suicide door, just the handle just here. That suicide door will open, or super cab, whichever brand you kind of class it as, but super cab or extra cab or space cab depending on the model you're looking at, but they are the super cab in the Ranger. So again, your interior is really clean condition. Coming back to your dooring, your door cluster such, or door card. Just also to say your GVM upgrade, that is where your decal is there for your GVM upgrade. So it's all been complied properly, done properly as well. Pedders as well, so you'll see all been done correctly. And again, we've got the certificate of compliance or fitment from when it was first done originally as well, which I've uploaded photos on the website just so you can see that also. Inside the vehicle, really clean condition, no damage that I can physically see carpet related. Does have the vinyl flooring, being the Excl, so just the entry model, so vinyl flooring. Again, condition wise, really clean condition. Again, your UHF radio, your fire extinguisher just beneath there also. And then coming back through your center cluster is your 6-speed automatic transmission, your 4x4 dials, and just your electric brake unit beneath there also. And then coming back to your seating on the driver's side, again, really clean condition. No damage that I can physically see on the seating. So for this age of car with those Ks, it has been cared for very, very well. And then coming back to your door card on that driver's side. I will jump in the car and start the vehicle up just to show you the exact Ks as well. So we'll start that vehicle up while I'm sitting here. We'll jump back in the car and we'll start the ute up. So going back through your cluster, it just has your AM FM radio with your Bluetooth functionality. Coming beneath that is your air conditioning and heating, so very basic air conditioning and heating. Back to your steering wheel, you do have your Bluetooth controls, your information controls on the left hand side of the steering wheel, cruise control and other settings on the right hand side of your steering wheel. And then current kilometres as we speak is 189,597. So really good kilometres. But the best thing about this is your tradesman body with your GVM upgrade. A lot of money spent from the previous owner as well. So it's been cared for, even though it's been a worker's kind of car, a worker's ute, has been cared for very, very well. So really lucky to have this one. Really great value for money. Heaps of extras fitted, like I said. So your tradesman body, your GVM upgrade, your ECB alloy bull bar, LED light bar in the front, and also your Yokohama all-terrain. So has been fitted out really well. Great value for money. So if you have any questions otherwise in relation to this vehicle or anything else you have here at Your Next Car In Officer, please don't hesitate to give us a call here. Speak to either Andrew or myself. We'll both look after you very well. But hopefully this Ranger is exactly what you're looking for, and we'll speak to you very soon. Otherwise, have a great day.